Hello guys, I'm just gonna make a little video of what I like to do when I'm at the range. Usually I have pictures to take of different kinds of products, my rifles, make decent content videos, but I always try to get a couple of reps in with solid training, just to challenge myself, have fun, and be confident enough to know that I will perform just above average in a competition if I do attend one. So what I like to do is run a couple of reps on a skill stage. Where I'm at now, I'm shooting at a 20 centimeter plate at 300 meters, trying to get at least two sets in with on the skill stage. Yeah, so let's load up this magazine and see how it goes. So that was the first run, cold bore. Not my best run. Used my time, had one miss I think. Don't know what that was. It's no wind today or anything, so probably just a bad trigger pull. But anyway, that's what I like to do. Run through the skill stage a couple of times, take a couple of pictures. If I have more time, I'll run through the other barricades that are here. So if you enjoy this video, let me know in the comment section. Always remember to subscribe, and I'll do my best to answer and make your requests come through. If you like to see some other stuff, just let me know, and I'll see what I can do. Have a great one. Bye.